everyone, welcome to Vencru. Vencru is an invoicing, inventory management, and accounting software for businesses. Today, I will show you how to create a vendor bill. First, click on the Create New button. Select Bill. Now fill in the details of your vendor bill. You can select an existing vendor or add a new one here. You can also enter the business address and warehouse address, but those are not required fields. Select the items. If the item is not listed here, you can always add a new item or select an existing one. Type in the quantity, the price, and the tax. You can add as many items to your vendor bill as you want. That's up to you. And of course, you can edit the price. If you added an item mistakenly, you can delete it here. You can also add shipping fees and a note for your vendor. You can either save your bill alone or save and send your bill to your vendor. Your vendor bill has been created and it can be seen under vendor bill here.